In some of the other videos, we talked a little bit about what to kind of look for on dogs. I would say it's pretty important to know when you're looking at a dog, are they relaxed? Are they not relaxed? What's going on? And I really wanted to try to figure out. And um, one thing that I look at, I should say, to let me know what's going on. And again, I can see this from a distance. I don't have to get up close to the dog and say, "What are you trying to tell me?" And the dog's like, "Get away from me." I can tell from a distance what's going on. And I think as a pet sitter, this is really important for you too. Relaxed versus not relaxed dog. This is fast recognition. What's going on? And you can kind of know from there. The key word here is the dog is backwards, moving away from you or moving away from something. That's telling you that they're not relaxed. There's something going on and there's some kind of a stressor. So when you're looking at a dog, think what's the weight distribution, what's going on with the ears, what's going on with the corners of the mouth, what's going on, and it's a backwards movement. All right. Some photos for you to kind of show you here. Yes, these are two extremes, but I think it's good to be able to start to train your eye and what this looks like. Here is a coated breed that's really kind of hard sometimes to be able to see their ears, but you can see weight distribution here. Weight's all on evenly, all four legs. Tail is up, loose. You can see the ears are neutral, mouth a little panting, the eyes are almond. Okay, from far away, you're like, okay, this dog is on all fours, like he's just evenly distributed his weight. But then when you look at this guy, and it could be this person reaching out, or it could be the camera, somebody walking forward that's scaring him, everything is away from you, away. It's moving away from what's scary. Okay. Weight distribution, look at this. Dog is moving away. Tail's tucked, but also the ears are away too. Eyes are a little bit rounder, but you can just see the whole, it's moving back. That is not relaxed. Stop what you're doing and stop moving towards the dog. Here's another one, relaxed versus not relaxed. Here you have this one, again, just sitting. Weight distribution seems to be even on the front legs and the rear. Dog's looking, ears are nice and relaxed. They're not stiff. You don't see any whites of the eyes, okay? But look at this little guy here. You can see these front legs are leaning, he's leaning back. His ears are back. His eyes are big and round. The corners of his mouth look like they're back. Everything is back away from what scares them. Here's another one. Relaxed, not relaxed. Evenly distributed weight. Ears look neutral. Eyes, you don't see any whites of the eyes. Mouth is a little tight for me, but just kind of gives you an idea of the weight distribution. Look at this one. Yeah. You can see he's leaned back away, ears back. You can see a little bit of well eye here, where you can see a little bit of the whites of the eye. The eyes are rounded. The mouth, everything is back. Showing teeth, but still everything is back. That's the way to be able to kind of get a fast idea of um, that's kind of an idea of how to look at a dog from far away of, okay, what's going on? What do I need to do? Should I keep approaching this dog? Should I stop? If you see any of this, let me see what I have on the side. Oh, if you see any of this, if you see any of this, and if you see any of this, stop what you're doing. The dog is telling you, not relaxed. Turn away and ignore the dog. Even better, take some treats, toss the treats past the dog, and just keep looking at the guardian, your client, or whatever, and just ignore the dog. Dog, you do not have to pet the dog. Also, too, when you're talking to the client, just say, looks like, your dog's probably just not sure about me. That's okay. I get a little, I get a little unsure around strangers too. That way, the guardian is like, not like, oh, something's wrong with my dog type of thing. Okay. Fast recognition, back, stop. Okay. Stop. Even if the dog is doing this to something and you're walking them, just walk and give further room from them, from whatever it is that scares them. Okay. All right. I hope this helps. Relax versus not relaxed. Fast recognition, back moving away.